Hello guys, welcome to my channel and I am obliged to welcome you to the full stack web development course. In this course we are gonna learn HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, GitHub, Node.js, Express, Heroku, Git, CLI, SQL, MongoDB, jQuery and much more stuff. So, how do we learn the most from this course? As you proceed from one lesson to another, you will find out that each lesson is about 5 to 10 minutes long. And this is intentional because this splits the learning into parts and makes it easy. Tip 2. You need to change the way you learn. If you are a web dev enthusiast, then you might have tried watching tutorials on this topic. What most people do is that they watch the video for some time and then pause it, write some code, and then resume the process to keep up with the pace of the video. This is what we generally call code along. This method is not very effective as we don't tend to understand what each part of the code is all about and what it does. The way I recommend it is that we see the video for 7 to 10 minutes and then we try to understand what the code is all about. Then we try to replicate the results. Another thing that most people think that coding is all about how fast you type, and that is not the case. For coding, speed is not necessary. If you want to practice typing fast, then you can visit websites like keyboard.com or try apps such as Typing Master. These apps will help you to fasten your speed. The next thing that people tend to do is that they forget. Yes, people mostly forget about what they have learned and the questions they wanted to ask. So, a way to overcome this problem is to take notes. There are many note taking systems, but one I prefer the most is the cornell note taking system. In this method, we divide the page into 4 or 5 parts. The name and class section is not so necessary. So, we first write the topic or objective of the note. Then we write the question that you think is the most important related to the topic. Then you have a column for other questions related to the topic if you have any. And if you have any doubts related to the questions or the topic taught in the upcoming tutorials, you can of course ask them in the comment section below. Then we have notes for some bullet points that you want to remember. And at last, you can summarize the complete lesson in short. This way helps you remember topics and revise them easily. Another problem that you will have to face in the future while coding is that you will make errors. So if there are any errors in your code and you want to troubleshoot them, you are just a small search away from your answer. You can use these sites for your help. They are Google, Stack Overflow and Geeks for Geeks. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Please subscribe, like and share.